Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the greatest soccer players of all time, has become a global fitness icon. Known for his incredible athleticism, dedication to training, and strict diet, Ronaldo's regimen has helped him maintain his peak physical condition. His diet, which emphasizes high-protein, nutrient-dense meals, is often cited as a key part of his success. Inspired by his diet and the possibility of improving my own health, I decided to take on the challenge of eating like Ronaldo for a week. Here's a breakdown of what I learned, the difficulties I encountered, and the benefits of following a high-protein eating plan. Who is Cristiano Ronaldo? Cristiano Ronaldo is a name synonymous with world-class soccer, but his success isn't just the result of natural talent. Ronaldo's commitment to his fitness and nutrition has helped him remain one of the best athletes globally for over a decade. His diet is known for being high in protein and low in processed foods, focusing on whole, nutrient-dense options. This careful balance helps maintain his muscle mass, boosts energy levels, and aids in faster recovery. I was curious to see if eating like him for a week could have a noticeable impact on my own energy and fitness. What is Ronaldo's typical diet? Ronaldo's daily meals are meticulously planned to fuel his body for intense workouts and matches. He typically eats 6 smaller meals throughout the day, ensuring a constant supply of energy. His breakfast usually consists of scrambled eggs, avocado, whole grain toast, and a fruit smoothie. For snacks, he often has protein bars or a handful of almonds. Lunch includes lean proteins such as chicken or turkey, paired with vegetables and whole grains like quinoa or rice. His afternoon snack is usually a protein-packed option like yogurt. Dinner typically features a lean fish, such as cod or salmon with vegetables. Before bed, he drinks a protein shake to support muscle recovery overnight. This balanced approach ensures he gets a steady stream of nutrients throughout the day to maximize his performance and recovery. The challenge: eating like Ronaldo for a week. I decided to try this high-protein, energy-packed meal plan for a week to see if it would improve my fitness and energy levels. The challenge was not just about replicating his meals, but also testing my discipline to stick with the plan. The first step was ensuring I followed Ronaldo's 6-meal routine while keeping the protein intake high. Day 1. The start of the challenge. The first day was all about settling into the routine. I started with a hearty breakfast of scrambled eggs with avocado and whole grain toast. The meal kept me feeling full and energized for the morning. Throughout the day, I had to adjust to eating 6 times, a lot more frequent than my usual 3 meals. By lunch, I was enjoying grilled chicken with quinoa and vegetables. It was filling, healthy, and kept me energized. Dinner was a light fish dish, staying true to Ronaldo's focus on lean proteins. Overall, I felt satisfied but noticed how constant eating could become overwhelming. Day 2 to 3. Adjusting to the high-protein meals. By days 2 and 3, my body started adjusting to the high-protein meals. I noticed a steady increase in my energy levels. Smaller meals more frequently helped regulate my blood sugar and avoid the usual mid-afternoon fatigue. I also felt better during my workouts, with more endurance and less sluggishness. However, eating so much protein, especially from animal sources like chicken and fish, started to feel a bit repetitive. I had to ensure I balanced my meals with enough vegetables to support digestion and avoid feeling too full. Day 4 to 5. Performance and energy levels. By the middle of the week, I began noticing tangible improvements. My workouts felt more productive, and I experienced less soreness afterward. I believe the combination of protein and complex carbs in my meals played a role in accelerating muscle recovery. Additionally, I found that my sleep improved. Protein helps regulate hormones that support restful sleep, and I woke up feeling more refreshed each day. The increased energy and faster recovery were clear benefits of the high-protein diet. Day 6 to 7. Challenges and benefits. By the end of the week, the challenges and benefits were clear. The benefits included improved muscle tone, increased energy, and better post-workout recovery. I also felt more focused throughout the day. The meal frequency and smaller portion sizes helped me avoid overeating, which is usually a problem for me. However, the challenge came from the repetition of the meals. While the food was nutritious, eating the same types of proteins, like chicken, fish, and eggs, daily started to get monotonous. By the end of the week, I was craving more variety in my meals. Is it worth it? If you're looking to improve your fitness and energy levels, incorporating elements of Ronaldo's diet could be helpful. His emphasis on lean proteins, whole grains, and vegetables is a great approach to fueling your body for physical activity. However, it's essential to tailor your diet to your individual needs. A balanced approach that includes protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates is key to long-term success. Would I recommend trying this high-protein challenge? If you're serious about fitness and want to challenge yourself, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe Protein Me Crazy. It's definitely worth a try. Just be prepared for the constant eating and the challenge of sticking with it day in and day out.